Air fryers are fast becoming the go-to kitchen appliance. They're energy efficient, easy to use, and produce less fat. And thanks to new research, we now know that they can help keep the air we breathe clean. We spoke to the lead investigator to find out more.
The pollutants emitted from cooking, they have a range of health effects. They can have impact on your lungs, and the tiny particles, so-called ultrafine particles, can even make it all the way into your brain.
So reducing exposure to these pollutants is crucial in improving the air quality around us. And that's where air fryers come in. But how did we find this out? We're heading into the lab to see how this works in real time.
In this study, we compared different types of food just to understand what kind of volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, are being emitted, and also how many are emitted for different types of foods. What we found is that the air frying of any food tends to have significantly lower emissions than other frying methods.
But here's the catch. Air fryers need regular deep cleaning. Otherwise, leftover grease can build up and undo all those air quality benefits.
Certain parts of your air fryer can get splashed with oil, and then if you keep on using your air fryer, you continuously get emissions from residues that are stuck somewhere, and some of these air ducts are not easily accessible for the user. So it would be really useful to have air fryers that are designed in a way that you could clean them more effectively.
So if your air fryer looks like this, maybe you should give it a good clean.